How to add table of contents in Google Docs. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to go into our documents right here. And then once you're now on your documents, make sure that you have already created your headings right here. So if you haven't created your headings right there, all you have to do is, let's say for example, this is your headings. So what we're going to do is to select that. And then what we're going to do next is to toggle our cursor into this part. So click that normal text. And then this is where you're going to see the headings. So let's say for example that this is heading 1. So I'm going to click apply heading 1 right here. Same goes for the rest. And then once you're now done with this, let's say for example that you have already applied the headings right there. Now the next thing that we're going to do to add the table of contents is to first place the cursor where you want to put your table of contents in. And then once you're now there, the next thing that we need to do is to just go here on the upper left corner of the screen and then click the insert button. Once you click that button, just go here on the page elements, which is right here, and then you will see the table of contents. So you can choose three options, which is right here, which is this one, the plain text, the dotted one, and then the links. So let's say, for example, that we want this one right here. So once you click that, as you can see, the table of contents have now been updated according to our headings right here. So as you can see, this is the conclusion, which is on the second page. And if we look on the conclusion right here, it is also on the second page. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to add table of contents in Google Docs.